So in this video, we will talk about blog creation. What is blog? What are the platforms we are using for blog creation? And what are the essential points we keep in mind while creating a blog? So hello friends, I'm Shivani Goel and today I'm come up with a new video on blog creation. So first of all, let's start with a quick introduction on a blog. First of all, what is blog? A blog is a short-term version of weblog. What is weblog here? Weblog means the information you can get from the website. This is known as your weblog. A blog is an online journal. Online journal means in which you can get information. Displaying information in a reverse chronological order. It means in case of blog, you can see all the posts you design is visible in a reverse chronological order. It means, for example, you have do some post, one on 22/1, another on 21. Okay, so the post which is latest display first, and the post which you already posted display after that. So in this way, you can see your post. What is the main purpose of your blog? The main purpose is to connect you with the relevant audience. In case of blog, you have a comment where you can see your customers' interaction. In case of blog, your main purpose is to connect with your relevant audience, and the person who does all this thing is known as blogger. For example, if I start my own blog, if I wrote my own blog, so I'm a blogger here, and the process of starting a blog or writing a blog is known as blogging. Next, what are the main platform? We have main two platform here. One is your Blogspot, another one is your WordPress. Okay, so I will explain you step by step how you can use WordPress to create a blog post and how it is beneficial for you. Okay, next, why is blogging so popular? First of all, it becomes the mainstream source of information. If you want to get any information related to any product, service, so blog is your main part. Next, through blogging, companies keep clients and customer up to date. For example, if you read articles at your website, there are a lot of posts which is related to your product or services, whatever you are working on. So you can keep your information up to date. Through a blog, visitors can comment and interact with you or your brand. When you create a blog post, there is a section of doing comment. When users comment on any particular blog post, by this way you can interact with your audience. You can earn money through blogging with the help of Google ads, Facebook ads. You can earn money in your blogging. So this is a brief introduction about blog, what is blog and why it is so popular. And for next coming videos, we will discuss more on blog. Thank you so much for watching this video.